Exactly who this is, and she needs no introduction, but I'm gonna introduce her anyway. It's my girl Roxy. You already know what it is.
What's up, everybody? Hi.
I'm saying we at Q93. You know what I'm saying? Number one station in the city. It's going down, fat and all that. That's exactly what's popping, and we in town for Essence. But she's homegrown. Please believe it. She is homegrown.
That's right.
You know what I'm saying? So let them just know why we here right now.
Well, of course, I'm over here promoting my charity weekend that's going down, Rockstar Rebuilds, and every year we do something that's able to give back to the city, and this year, again, we're doing our Rock and Roll tournament at the Mid-City Bowling Alley, and we're just going to have fun. A whole bunch of celebrities come through, we just party. You guys were there last year, just having fun, and I'm not going to speak a lot about it today because y'all going to come tomorrow and cover it and see everybody that's coming by. I promise you it's going to be bigger and better than it was even last year.
Yeah, because Sanaa Lathan punished me on the to the bowling alley.
She coming back, and she bring Gabrielle Union, so it's
I need a rematch. I want a rematch right now. You beat me last year, but I want a rematch. You and Corey Webster, both of y'all. I want a rematch.
They all gonna come. They all gonna be here. There's just gonna be a whole lot more people this year. Like, definitely.
Man, she bring the stars out. You got Terrence with you? Is TJ with you?
I can't go nowhere without Terrence J. He's there too as well. So it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be a lot of crazy things going on. But like I said, I don't want to talk about a lot today because tomorrow y'all gonna be there. Y'all can see for yourself. We just put good events together. We partying for a purpose, and every money, every cent that I get, it goes back to the city of New Orleans.